Who's excited for a cute eye look? Because we surely are. Blending a soft pink hue on the outer corner to begin this beautiful eye look. Dispersing it along the crease line to shape the look slowly. Using a super fluffy brush to add more pigment to the look. With a flat angled brush and a gel liner, she is drawing on a wing line across the outer corner. Creating a wing outline and filling it with the same gel liner. It's looking so sharp and neat, a flawless wing indeed. Elongating it all the way to the inner corner and making the liner more opaque. Dipping into a rose gold shimmer and applying it on the center of the lid to spruce up the look some more. Adding more until the shimmers are opaque and the look sparkles a lot. Going over the wing again to fix up any areas that it was removed. Using a flat tapered brush to disperse the liner and smoke out the wing. Bringing it all the way to the middle of the lid. Patting on the glitter flakies some more, but this time using a flat brush. Defining the wing with a flat brush dipped in concealer to make sure it's all neat and clean. To make this look even more glamorous, she's adding some inner tear duct and brow bone shine. All the details make this look so beautiful, and we can't wait to recreate it. And you're the reason why. Moving on to the lower lash line, adding the liner and smoking it out. Finalizing the look with a coat of mascara on the upper and lower lashes, as well as adding falsies. What a mesmerizing look!